Who you be? This early morning, you call person, you they do me understand. Shebi you before you call, you don't wake up. Abi you be never wake up when you they call.
I don't wake up.
Hey, why you can't call person, you can't they talk? What it be that one now? Me, I get what they use my time, they do now. Talk. What did you call for?
I call for you now.
Okay, good. Over what now? Say it back. You want buy hair, you want buy cream, you want buy earring, you want sew cloth, you want buy house, you want rent house, you they go Africa. Which one you want? Buy this morning. I busy. You say?
I said now you are me.
For Facebook, they still tell you say I dey sell myself. I don't ever do advertisement. Say for the card where I put for there, my business card. You see where I say Monica is also for sale.
No.
Then where you can't get this one from? Who tell you say me you can't buy Monica?
Not be you they ask me question, Monica.
Because you call this morning, they make when. How you go call? Me we be woman. You see what I they do this morning? I they work. I don't they work since 6 o'clock. Why you can't call me? You call me by yourself. They can't they do. If you know say you they sleep, why you go they call me? They disturb my friend. They do video of what they do. You they call me. They disturb my video. At the end of the day, you no want talk. You just say that kind of thing good. Would they accept that kind of thing? Talk now.
No verse.
I know verse, but talk. My line not before hello. I want to talk to you. No. You get problem. You want to talk to me about your problem. That's what you call me for. You don't call me to say, Monica, how are you? Don't worry. I am very, 100% fine.
Okay.
You don't talk finish.
I don't talk to you. I also may I hear your voice, Monica.
Okay, thank you. No, they call me through Instagram message again. I beg. I know they take that one. Yeah? Okay.
How the show now?
We show the show.
The show now, you not do show today.
Okay. Today, which country you did? Because na early morning we dey for here. We just wake up and everybody's supposed to go work first.
I did
Spain. So now from morning that they do live video. Should be we all the fair close before we they do live video in the evening.
Okay, I said at the evening.
When you feel they watch my show?
They see in the morning, they see the
Me go dey live in the morning. You they use me, they compare Okpaika. Now Okpaika they do video in the morning. You don't ever see me morning video. When the be say not be emergency, I don't enter live in the morning. Now people like on the show, now they make me the entire video in the morning. Because you know where it's in the mirror. Okay, so you don't have to go take care. For concentrate me and not go carry Germany, go UK to Germany. So now we take confusion the cost this morning be that. You hear? I better not call me again for this place where you take call me so because you don't they call me all these days. I don't understand that kind of thing. You hear? We know they quarrel, but if person not do something right, they irritate me. You dey social media, you dey watch me, you don't know time where I tell they do live video. You say I they do live video in the morning. That one I'm okay, we work man of your son. Which one I did? Now you can't say which one I did. Say which one I did. What will be your age? How old are you? 35. Now you dey. Now you dey ask me say which one I did? Eh?
Monica, which one you
Oh, yeah. I want to cut your phone now, okay? Make sure you don't call back, because if you call back and blocking, I will give you. I won't take that nonsense. Do you hear me? Because you don't know what time they talk.
What?
Yeah, picking. I pity women where they still there outside where one marry one. I pity them 100%, man. So it will make me go do mistake now. But they call me my people now. Good morning. Because they use Instagram messenger. Ko. Imemi no call iba ana hina. U demio, u deto, u mesano agwagonje. Just call Monica. I want to buy you. How old are you? 35 years old. Where you dey at this Spain? Uno tita begmiana. Uno tita. Sometimes it goes too funny. I say, me make una laugh, jare. Don't be only me one go dey see orishi. After my people, na good morning. Na good morning. Then this morning I saw they do video for where I do. Then he can't spoil my video with he calling. Four times he call again. I call him, he call Jimmy. Oh man, you running business. So okay. She will call me back. Or she go. You see all this one? I just the pity women wey still free this day wey go dey all this agbewu. Pity now. If na this time wey agbewu dey outside, so na me never marry for her me to come marry all these yao people. Very yao somebody. No know when I dey do video. And he say in the wash me. But you no know. When I dey do video. Say I dey do video early in the morning. Libya really messed up with a lot of our people. I'm telling you, my lady. I'm telling you. People that came that time, this is not how they behave. Responsible men that time. Guten Morgen, my love. If na this time, women wey dey marry this time na though I pity now. Cause the kind men wey na dey marry this time, I no understand. Man wey go just wake up in early in the morning, dey inside bed, dey call person, say I want buy. Hey, you want see my face? I dey up yama. I dey come. You see my face just now. Me I go do post. If I come back on it. If na you say which time Monica take the rest? Good morning, my lady. I rest too. You see, I don't dey call back again. You see person where I thought say I will block. For real, I will block her. Now time to go to blocking. You see? But they disturb the two of my phone. So no boy. Bonami. I want to stop her now. Okwomose life. Okay. I have to go and block him, my people. Ikedo. Okay, do yame ya crazy way or wame. Amen. Go for it. Nasia. Block. Oh. block. Ah, Jesus, thank you. We are free, oh, Jesus. Don't even lie, bro. Ah, that one does still come up for there. We are free, my people. My lady, if I list you waiting my sister driver for Nigeria experience for Libya, you go cry. It be one travel, That be small thing. No wonder when some of the follow they come, their head not the correct again, not be all sharp. But many of all these small boy we do bad for them, where those one where they rape, we do killing. Their head not correct. I'm telling you, their head not the correct again. I don't block and I take a egg be swearing. I did 3 weeks under 12 hours. I'm telling you. Under 12 hours, I did 3 head. 3. And they come tell me I can't be on this one. Good morning, my people. Good morning. How you are doing? I will be coming to my Saga YouTube today. This morning, safe. Let me go and do some posting. When I return, I will shower. Then I'll come to my Saga YouTube. Okay, M.A Reality TV. I have a message there. Very important. I have message for Daddy Freeze. EJ, yourself here? Yes. Over here. Daddy Freeze. Daddy Freeze. Not Daddy Freeze. I don't know Daddy Face. I don't know. I have message for him. And he needs to hear it. He was live. I think day before yesterday. Come they preach for life. Instagram. Come they ask a question. Come they read them. You know one answer. He follow us also. They come they just like you, like normal, you know, like normal. I call it normal because if somebody still call here now they disturb me, they call off now say get out of here, get out of here. Most of the people way past Libya now spoil you. Nice where Europe now. Yes, he spent 3 years in Libya. Things happen to our men and women. Don't be small. Don't be small. Like one lady also talk to me. See what it. If the truth of the matter is, if our guests want really they talk what happen to them for Libya, where see Kenya, not to talk of me, you just run. So it's really good me that they keep some kind things. I beg, I advise that one. Like waiting one girl tell me, do you know since how many days, if I remember, I will just do, God forbid. Like if I did Nigeria, the person will tell me say I must go abroad through Libya. God forbid. Hey, you see what they happen there. Mona not the two women. Mona not the two talking to na men. May they not come to live on because if some men hear that kind of horrible things, it's too horrible. It's too raw. That's why some guests, yeah. Wow. Now they try. Now try. That the face go hear what today. Yes, so I can't enter a video. I can't they ask her one question like that. He can't they read that. You know answer me. And I can't they answer. I can't they ask her. You must answer me. I can't they write the thing. I can't they write down. Do you know he preaching he come ben. We are not concentrate again. I say, yeah. That's what they fed they do us. Then the people come they tell me, say, Monica, live here. Monica Ambrew, live here. Monica Ambrew, you are disturbing us. Monica, now I say, Mona tell na boss, let him just answer me, then I take my work. They say, live here. We don't call you here. Now one of our Benin brothers, you know how they be now, Benin people, they can disgrace their fellow Benin. Now those who know me, the people where they not be know me, oh, they just they type my name, seeing what I they write, they ask. I know it's short time more. I was just asking one kind of question like that, which I know he have the question, he have the answer. He have to answer me. You understand? So when he himself read down, he can't change the way he face, he talk, on the shake. Okay. Now he follow us, come they say, Monica, live here. You are disturbing us. Don't talk to our daddy like this. Now I say, but I'm not disrespecting him. I'm just asking a question. Then they say, no, live here. What did Benin person do? Benin person just enter the video. Monica, you don't bring your madness, come here. You think say na everywhere that the man they allow it be on him. Idiot, low life. Just as some of una be low life, now say me everybody be low life like that. If you can ask Dr. Freeze, I've been a daddy Freeze that question. Me, I can ask. Did I insult him? I'm asking a question. He had the right to answer or to keep quiet the way he was keeping quiet. He was reading it and he was keeping quiet. And he not confident preach where again. So as I ask him, he no want to. Now I tell and say that the phrase come to my M.A reality TV. I will ask the question to the world. I need the answer. Okay? Nah, Benin people, yan rene. Come on for yeah. Monica, come on for here. Now everywhere you they show yourself. You just say na nuisance. What na they do for social media that the face they do. Monica, Benin people, wait, nah. No move yet to go to everywhere. U feel way of yet do ma say. O ma say no international. Of yet do ma say no few pay yeah. In Nollywood anywhere. You we don't already count yourself low life. You no rich. You see me and you. We don't get the same forehead. We don't get the same me. See my head now. One boy. Maybe your own now one trailer or one city machine. You hear? I beg. They line. They back. Some of us now we go front. Go ask. Excuse me, sir. Am I in the right office? Why some people they are in the wrong office, but they can never ask. They will just be like everybody stand here and I stand here. So they there. No, they do that thing again. I still enter this woman video that day. What did they call her? In that Tokumbo. She was motivating on boys' children. Okay? And I enter. I know they insult them. I not be like Una. You understand? I reached there. Everybody was commenting. And I commented also. I asked something that she was talking about. She unknown and she was answering me. Before you know, Benin person don't enter. Man, don't waste your time. There are news on social media. A news on a comment to where Benin people, some of them, where don't count themselves out of line, they go draw you joint body. I bet my sister, if you not sabi comment anywhere, if you see that you dey fear, you can't even make your point or your opinion very correctly. Please allow me. Did I use your Instagram? Did I use your Instagram to ask that the phrase? What I want to ask is that the phrase not talking to big pastor. They don't cut on. Oh, no, they ever value now. I not say me you value me. I value myself. Wait till they ask, I not be baby. If you cannot ask me, I will ask him. When they ask una pastor, way big for una, who don't beat him? And it's not bad to ask question. It's not too big to answer me. But it's only Benin person that was there. Come on for here. He don't come again. Now everywhere now they go. Yeah. Because you no one go everywhere. Maybe you sit down for your house. Now they follow me everywhere also. Because me, I'm going everywhere. If I see question where see something where not clear, I go ask. Una do where? I want go post something. I'll be back. Okay? If I come back, come and dress. It's not good to see me on my kpekoro. My hair don't grow. I need to cut it. I'll cut it this morning, then I'm coming back to you guys. Very true. I was there. What some of our... Oh, you were there. Thank you, my darling. They are always doing that. If I enter these people video, my comment, the people will always see it. I don't insult them. I ask them something that they are talking about there. You will just see beneath people. You ain't worry. Monica, you don't come here. My brother, my sister. All do where? Where they are, you go away. We are commenting. No, me are there. Will you come? Come on for yeah. Come draw me. Because a YouTuber that is freezing me now. If he don't answer me with video, I must put awareness. May everybody know. Say now, yeah, fire follow enter bush. You hear? Thank you, my people. See you guys. Bye. Education is important. Don't worry. When I become the president of Nigeria, all adult girls must go to school. That one, let me go do. During time of Abrusali, now free education. My own, if I enter, all adult girls, just like they do answer children, when they make sure say they go school, even bribe them with money. Adult girls, I go they pay them social. All of them must, if you born girl pikin, it go become government pikin for Edo State. Don't worry now. One day, I'll become president of that country. Edo girls, the moment you born girl pikin, it go become government property. If you sin and go anywhere, you are dead. Cause what happen to this generation of Edo girls, it will not happen again. I will change it. Cause all this one, ay. You see that back something where they just put them, then they want remain for life. If they see you want change your own, yeah, come here. I walk, make bad. Bye everyone. See you. Oh.